Barchaga assalomu alaykum. Bugun biz siz bilan The Lion King deb nomlangan multfilmni tahlil qilishda davom etamiz va buning uchun Hakuna Matata deb nomlangan ajoyib, rostini aytsam men juda ham sevib eshitadigan qo'shiqni eshitamiz va tahlil qilamiz. Agar tayyor bo'lsangiz, boshladik.
So, where you from?
Who cares? I can't go back.
So, where are you from? Where are you from? Xo'sh, sen qayerliksan? Ya'ni sen qayerdan kelib qolding? Biz tomonlarga deyapti. Undan keyin Simba, who cares? Nima qizig'i bor? Who cares? I can't go back there. Men baribir qayta olmayman. Ortga qayta olmayman.
So, where you from?
Who cares? I can't go back.
Ah, you're an outcast. That's great. So are we.
You're an outcast. You are an outcast. Outcast degani bu biron bir jamiyatga sig'olmagan odam. Outcast deyiladi. Ya'ni o'sha jamiyatga mos kelolmagan odamni outcast deb aytishadi. Demak, you are an outcast. Demak, sen shunaqa ekansan, ya'ni o'sha jamiyatga sig'olmagan ekansan-da degan ma'noda aytyapti. That's great. Bu juda ham ajoyib. So are we. Biz ham shunaqamiz. So are we. That's great. So are we. Deb. Biz ham shunaqamiz. Biz ham xuddi shunday o'sha o'zimizni jamiyatimizga sig'olmadik degan ma'noda.
So, where you from?
Who cares? I can't go back.
Ah, you're an outcast. That's great. So are we. What'd you do, kid?
Okay. What you do, kid dedi. What did you do, kid deb so'rayapti. Ya'ni nima qilib qo'yding? Nima qilding degani o'sha. Ya'ni yigitcha, bolakay, berdan bolakay, kidda bolakay nima qilding?
Back.
Ah, you're an outcast. That's great. So are we. What'd you do, kid?
Something terrible, but I don't want to talk about it.
Something terrible, but I don't want to talk about it. Something terrible. Judayam bir yomon narsa qilib qo'ydim. Ya'ni judayam bir yomon narsa, men qilgan narsa degan ma'noda. But I don't want to talk about it. Biroq men u narsa haqida gapirishni xohlamayman.
Who cares? I can't go back.
Ah, you're an outcast. That's great. So are we. What'd you do, kid?
Something terrible, but I don't want to talk about it.
Good. We don't want to hear about it.
Okay, good. We don't want to hear about it. Ajoyib. Biz ham bu haqda eshitishni xohlamaymiz. Ya'ni biz ham bu narsani bilishni xohlamaymiz deyapti.
Kid.
Something terrible, but I don't want to talk about it.
Good. We don't want to hear about it.
Come on, Timon. Anything we can do?
Okay, come on, Timon deyapti. Timon qo'ysang-chi degan ma'noda. Anything we can do. Anything that we can do. Biron yordam ko'rsatishimiz mumkinmi? Biron narsa qila olishimiz mumkinmi siz uchun, sen uchun degan ma'noda.
Talk about it.
Good. We don't want to hear about it.
Come on, Timon. Anything we can do?
Not unless you can change the past.
Okay. Not unless you can change the past. Deyapti. Demak, not unless degani agar o'tmishda o'zgartira olsangizgina degan. Ya'ni faqatgina o'tmishda o'zgartira olsangizgina menga yordam berishingiz mumkin degan ma'noda. O'shanaqa ma'noda. Ya'ni unless degani maguncha degan qo'shimchani beradi. Ya'ni o'tmishda o'zgartirmaguningizcha menga yordam bera olmaysiz.
Come on, Timon. Anything we can do?
Not unless you can change the past.
You know, kid, in times like this, my buddy Timon here says you gotta put your behind in your past.
Now,
Okay, qayerdan eshitamiz?
My buddy Timon here says
Okay. You know, kid, in times like this, bilasanmi yigitcha? You know, kid, bilasanmi bolakayda? In times like this, bunday vaqtlarda, ya'ni bunday paytlarda, ya'ni mana shunaqangi holatga tushib qolgan paytlarimizda, my buddy Timon here says, mening buddy degani bu o'rtog'im, do'stim degan ma'noda keladi. My buddy Timon, mening o'rtog'im Timon here says, bir gap aytadi. Odatda bir narsani aytadi.
you gotta put your behind in your past.
You gotta put your behind in your past. Sen o'zingni orqangni o'tmishingda qoldirishing kerak deb aytadi.
Anything we can do?
Not unless you can change the past.
You know, kid, in times like this, my buddy Timon here says you gotta put your behind in your past.
no.
I mean,
Amateur.
Okay. No, amateur degani bu biror narsani hobbi sifatida qiladigan odam tushuniladi amateur degan. Ya'ni professional darajada bajaradigan emas, shunchaki yoqtirganligi tufayli, shunchaki nima deydi, qo'l uchida-da, qo'l uchida, lekin yoqtirganligi tufayli-da. Yoki amateur deb, ya'ni professional bo'lmagan odamlarga nisbatan aytiladi. Buni biroz negativ formada ham aytish mumkin. Ya'ni birovni sal nima deydi, darajasini pastga tushirib qo'yish uchun amateur deyish mumkin. Amateur bu endi mana nima deydi, o'rganayotgan da, ya'ni hali professional bo'lmaganlarga nisbatan amateur deyiladi. Timon hozir pumaga qarab, amateur dedi. Sen baribir professional emassan-da, menchalik degan ma'noda qilyapti hozir.
Put you behind in your past.
No.
I mean,
Amateur. Lie down before you hurt yourself.
Lie down before you hurt yourself. O'tirib olgin, o'zingga biror narsa qilib qo'yishingdan oldin degan ma'noda. Ya'ni endi bu kontekstda hozir hurt degani o'zi shu og'ritmoq, azob bermoq ma'nosida. Lie down bu yerda hozir yotmoq ma'nosida kelyapti. Lekin bu shundoq ham bu o'zi o'tiribdi-ku. Endi bizda o'tirib deymiz-ku, biz o'sha ma'noda o'tirib olgin, keyin men senga aytaman deymiz, to'g'rimi? Bu yerda hozir o'sha bu iborani shunchaki yodlab qo'ysak bo'ladi. Lie down before you hurt yourself. Hurt shu qiynamoq, azob bermoq, azoblamoq yoki biror narsa o'ziga nisbatan biror bir qandaydir nima deydi, azobga solib qo'ymoq o'zini. Bu yerda hozir o'zingni qiynamasdan o'tirib olgin degan ma'noda bo'layapti.
No.
I mean,
Amateur. Lie down before you hurt yourself. It's you gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid.
Okay. It's you gotta put your past behind you deb. Ya'ni sen o'tmishingni ortingda qoldirishing kerak. O'tmishingni orqangga qo'yishing kerak degan ma'noda. O'tmish haqida o'ylama degan ma'noda bo'lyapti-da. Keyin Timonni nimalariga, qiliqlariga e'tibor bering-da, qo'llarini qimirlashlariga, deb ko'zlarini suzishlariga to'g'ri ham bildirishganda buni.
Hurt yourself. No.
I mean,
Amateur. Lie down before you hurt yourself. It's you gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen and you can't do anything about it, right?
Okay. Look, kid. Menga qara yigitcha, menga qara bolakay. Bad things happen. Yomon narsalar hayotda ro'y beradi, hayotda bo'ladi yomon narsalar. And you can't do anything about it. Dedimi? Nima dedi? No. Right? So'rayapti yana, right? deb so'rab qo'yapti. Rost shundaymi deb. And you can't do anything about it. Va sen o'sha yomon bo'ladigan voqealar, sen ularga nisbatan hech narsa qila olmaysan, qo'lingdan hech narsa kelmaydi. To'g'rimi deyapti.
Lie down before you hurt yourself. It's you gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Okay. Demak, wrong dedi. Mana Simba right degan paytda, ha, shunday degan paytda Timon wrong dedi. Yo'q, xato, noto'g'ri dedi. Undan keyin when the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world dedi. Demak, bu nima degani? Dunyo senga qayrilib olganida, ya'ni dunyo sendan yuz o'girganida, sen dunyodan yuz o'gir degan ma'noni beradi bu gap bizga. Turn someone's back on degani yuz o'girmoq degan ma'noni beradi.
The world turns its happen and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was taught.
Well, that's not what I was taught. Menga bunaqa tarbiya berishmagan. Menga bu narsani, menga bunday narsalarda, ya'ni nima desak bo'ladi? Menga bu narsani o'rgatishmagan desak xato bo'ladi-yu, menga bunday o'rgatishmagan desak to'g'riroq bo'ladi. Ya'ni hayot haqida menga bunaqangi o'sha nima deydi, metod bilan tarbiya berilmagan, o'rgatilmagan degan ma'noda.
You turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was taught.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. unaqada balki senga yangi o'sha dars kerakdir. Balki senga yangiroq dars kerakdir yokida unaqada senga yangi dars kerak degan ma'noda ham bo'lishi mumkin.
Well, that's not what I was taught.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me degani orqamdan qaytar degani. Repeat degani qaytar, after mendan, me mendan, after keyin.
Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Okay, it means no worries. Degani Hakuna Matata degan so'z hech qanday nima deydi? Worries degani bu o'sha o'ylantiradigan o'y-xayollar. It means no worries. U hech qanday o'y-xayol, g'am-g'ussa yo'qligini anglatadi degan ma'noda. Ya'ni means anglatmoq. O'sha no worries, o'sha g'am-g'ussa o'y-xayollar yo'q ekanligini tushunali.
Need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Okay. What a wonderful phrase. Naqadar go'zal o'sha fraza, naqadar go'zal so'zlar, ne?
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
Okay. Ain't no passing craze. Demak, craze degani bu trend degan ma'noni beradi, faqat qanaqa trend? Shunday yo'q joydan paydo bo'ldi, shup juda ham tez tarqaldi, shu bilan yana tez yo'q bo'ldi. Da misol uchun craze ga nimani misol qilsak bo'ladi? Mana bunaqa o'ynatadiganlar chiqdi, 3 ta nimasi bo'ladi, kalichasi bo'ladi, olasiz. Bunday nom esimdan chiqdi. Bu 10 yil oldin trendga aylandi, adashmasam. Aylantirasiz, o'zi aylanib turaveradi, xuddi nimaga o'xshab. Xullas, o'sha narsaga o'xshab. Va shunday paydo bo'ldi yo'q joydan, juda ham tez tarqaldi. Undan keyin birdaniga yo'q bo'ldi. O'shani craze deydi. Ya'ni o'shanaqa trendni craze deydi. Passing craze degani bu yerda o'sha o'tib ketadigan trend ma'nosida kelyapti hozir. Ain't no passing craze degani endi bu kontekstda Hakuna Matata, it means no worries da. Ya'ni Hakuna Matata hech qanday g'am-g'ussa yo'qligini anglatadi. Ya'ni hech qanday g'am-g'ussa yo'q degan ma'noni beradi dedik, to'g'rimi? Va bu o'sha Hakuna Matata bu o'tib ketadigan o'sha trend emas, u davom etadigan, uzoqroq qoladigan trend degan ma'noda kelyapti hozir. Va qarang, grammatik aspekt mana shu yerda bo'lib o'taylik. Mana bu ain't degan so'z bizda isn't, not degan ma'noni beradi. Ya'ni isn't, am not, is not, has not, have not, did not, do not, does not, will not, shall. Xullas kalom, notni qayerda ishlatmoqchi bo'lsangiz, mana shu yordamchi fe'l bilanda ain't deb ketishingiz mumkin. Lekin kichik bir eslatma, ingliz tilida ikkita not kelmaydi. Agar ingliz tilida ikkita not birdaniga keladigan bo'lsa, ya'ni ikkita inkor bitta joyda keladigan bo'lsa, u darakni ifodalab qo'yadi. Ya'ni agar ikkita negativ birga keladigan bo'lsa, o'sha ikkita negativ pozitivni shakllantirib qo'yadi ingliz tilida. Misol uchun biz o'zbek tilida aytamiz, men hech narsani ko'rmadim desam, o'zbek tilida bu juda ham tabiiy eshitiladi. Ya'ni hech narsani ko'rganim yo'q. Lekin ingliz tilida agar hech narsani ko'rmadim desangiz, siz nimanidir ko'rganligingizni aytayotgan bo'lasiz. Ya'ni bizning fikrlashimizcha I did not see nothing deyish inglizchasiga to'g'ri, lekin noto'g'ri bu. Agar men hech narsani ko'rmadim deb ingliz tilida aytmoqchi bo'lsangiz, I didn't see anything deyishingiz kerak. Ya'ni nothing o'rniga anything ishlatishingiz kerak. Ya'ni men biror narsani ko'rmadim degan bo'lasiz o'shanda. Agar siz biror narsani ko'rdim demoqchi bo'lsangiz, I did not see nothing deysiz. Ya'ni nothing da o'zi bitta negativ, bu bitta inkor va did not bu ikkinchi inkor. Ikkita inkor, ya'ni ikkita negativ birlashyapti-da, bitta pozitivni shakllantiryapti. Mana bu yerda aynan shu narsa bo'lib qolgan. Ya'ni ain't bitta inkor, no ikkinchi inkor. Ikkalasi pozitsivni shakllantirib qo'yadi grammatik nuqtai nazardan. Lekin bu grammatika emas-ku, to'g'rimi? Bu oddiy o'sha nima? Og'zaki nutq. Shuning uchun ham tilni buzib gapirishgan bu yerda va boyagi emphasis uchun qilingan bu yerda mana ikkinchi no ning qo'yilganligi o'sha ko'proq urg'u berish uchun. Nimaga? Mana bu narsaga, passing craze ga. Ya'ni Hakuna Matata bu shunchaki tezgina o'tib ketadigan trend emasligiga ko'proq urg'u berish uchun yana bitta no qo'yilgan bu yerda. Endi og'zaki nutq bo'lganligi uchun. Lekin grammatikada bu to. Esda tutamiz.
Hakuna Matata ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Okay. For the rest of your days. Kuning qolgan kuningga degan ma'noni beradi. Ya'ni for the rest degani qolgani degan tarjimani beradi. For the rest of your day degani kuningning qolganiga nisbatan. Ya'ni misol uchun ertalab turdingiz, kechgacha bo'lgan vaqt bu kunning qolgan qismi, to'g'rimi? O'sha qolgan qismiga nisbatan aytilyapti. Ya'ni kun mobaynida hech qanday g'am g'ussasiz yashash degan ma'noni anglatadi. Hakuna Matata degan ma'noda kelyapti.
Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Okay. It's our problem-free philosophy deyapti. Problem free degani muammolardan xoli degan ma'noni bersa, philosophy bu falsafada. It's our problem free philosophy. Bu bizning muammolardan xoli bo'lgan falsafamiz. Ya'ni bu bizning muammolardan xoli bo'lishlikni anglatguvchi falsafamizdir degan ma'noda quvvatdir. Boshni eshitaylik.
What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, it's our motto.
What's the motto?
Nothing. What's the matter with you?
Okay. Yeah, it's our motto dedi. Demak, motto, bilmasam, menimcha ingliz tilida bunaqa so'z yo'q. Bu yerda hozir so'z o'yini ketyapti. Motto bilan marry degan so'zlar ikkalasi bir-biriga o'xshash tovushlarni beradi. Ya'ni ingliz tilida what's the matter with you degan so'z bor, ibora bor, to'g'rimi? Ya'ni senga nima bo'ldi? Nimamda o'zgarib qolding degan gaplar ishlatilishi mumkin. What's the matter with you? Nima bo'lyapti senga degan ma'noda ishlatiladi. O'sha matter so'z o'rniga motto kelyapti bu yerda hozir. It's our motto. Da bu bizning mottomiz degan ma'noni beradi, lekin bu yerda hozir mana bu Simbani anoga qalqon deydi, nima deydi? Xullas o'sha narsaga ildirib olish uchun. Maqsad nima? Boyagi what's the matter with you degan gapni aytish, maqsad ayttirish, da. Demak, Simba so'radi-ku, what is motto dedi-ku, ya'ni what is the matter deganda nima bo'lyapti degan ma'noni beradi. What's the matter? Nima bo'lyapti degani. Lekin what's the motto? What's the matter ga nima? O'xshash ovozli, o'xshash tovushli. Nima demoqchiligimni tushunyapsizmi? Bu yerda ham xuddi shu narsa ketyapti. Ya'ni Simon bekorga paqirlab kulgani yo'q oxirida. Ya'ni what is motto deb so'ragan payt Simon aytdiki, nothing, hech narsa deyapti. What's the matter with you deyapti. Sen nima bo'lyapti sen bilan deb so'rayapti. Ya'ni shunchaki Simbani ustidan birozgina kulishyapti bular. Tushundingiz deb o'ylayman.
It's our problem-free philosophy.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, it's our motto.
What's the motto?
Nothing. What's the matter with you?
You know, kid, these two words will solve all your problems.
That's
You know what, kid deyapti, mana Pumba aytyapti. Bilasanmi, bolakay? These two words, bu ikkita so'z will solve all your problems. Seni hamma muammoingni hal qiladi. Bilasanmi, yigitcha, bolakay, mana shu ikkita so'z seni hamma muammoingni hal qiladi deyapti.
right. Take Pumbaa, for example.
Okay, that's right. To'ppa to'g'ri deyapti. Take Pumbaa for example. Ya'ni misol uchun Pumbani olaylik. Take Pumbaa for example.
Why, when he was a young warthog.
Why? When he was a young warthog. Warthog bu mana Pumba, ya'ni Pumbani o'sha oilasi, ya'ni o'shanaqa hayvonlar nazarda tutilyapti. Ya'ni cho'chqalar oilasida o'sha warthog, o'sha cho'chqalarda. When he was a young warthog. U yoshgina o'sha cho'chqa bo'lgan payti.
When I was a young warthog.
Very nice.
Thanks.
He
Very nice. Judayam ajoyib.
found his aroma like a certain appeal. He could clear the savannah after every meal.
Okay. He found his aroma lacked a certain appeal. U aroma degani hid, o'zini hidi nazarda tutilyapti. His aroma o'zini hidi. O'zidan chiqaradigan hid. Lack degani yetishmaslik ma'nosini beradi. A certain appeal degani ma'lum bir o'sha nima deydi uni, bir go'zal hislat deymizmi, bir o'ziga yarasha bir go'zallik. Xullas kalom mana shuda shunaqa ma'noda appeal-da. Ya'ni he found, u angladiki, found da bu yerda hozir topdi ma'nosida emas, anglamoq ma'nosida keladi. He found, u angladiki his aroma, uning hidi lacked a certain appeal. U shu boyagi uning hidi birozgina nima deydi, go'zallikdan mahrum ekanligini, da, ya'ni yoqimsizroq ekanligini angladi. Ya'ni uning hidi yoqimsizroq ekanligini anglab yetdi yosh bo'lganida, deyapti.
You know what? These two words will solve all your problems.
That's right. Take Pumbaa, for example. Why, when he was a young warthog.
When I was a young warthog.
Very nice.
Thanks.
He found his aroma like a certain appeal. He could clear the savannah after every meal.
Okay. Demek he could clear the savannah after every meal. Savannah degani bu yaylovga o'xshagan joyda, ya'ni o't o'sadigan joy. Katta o'sha dalalar bo'ladi-ku, o'shalarda o't o'sib yursa, o'sha savannada. Asosan bu o'sha Afrika davlatlarida bo'ladigan, kuzatiladigan nima, o'sha tabiatiy, xullas kalom, shunaqa joy. Demak, he could clear the savannah after every meal degani u har safar ovqatlanganidan keyin butun o'sha savannani tozalar edi degan ma'noni beryapti. Ya'ni nimasi bilan? O'zining hidi bilan. Ovqat yegandan keyin damlab, o'sha damni chiqarish orqali ma'nosida kelyapti bu yerda hozir. Gap boya aytdi-ku, u o'zining o'sha hidini o'sha ma'lum bir go'zallikdan mahrum ekanligini tushunib yetdi. Ya'ni o'sha yorqin, yaxshi hidlardan mahrum ekanligini tushunib yetdi dedi-ku, o'sha ma'noda kelyapti.
His aroma like a certain appeal. He could clear the savannah after every meal.
I'm a sensitive soul, though I seem thick-skinned.
Okay. I am a sensitive soul. Men juda ham nozik tabiatman degan. Ya'ni juda ham nima tez xafa bo'lib qoladigan, tegma nozikman. O'shanaqa ma'noda xullas kalom. Yet, though I seem nima dedik? Esimdan chiqib qoldi.
I'm a sensitive soul, though I seem thick-skinned.
Okay. Thick-skinned. Thick-skinned degani terisi qattiq, terisi qalin degan ma'noni beradi. Ya'ni eshak teri deymiz-ku biz, o'shanaqa ma'noda. I am a sensitive soul. Men juda ham nozik, tegma nozikman, xullas kalom. Though degani ga qaramasdan degan ma'noni beradi. Thick-skinned boyagi terisi qattiq deydigan. Meni terim qattiq ko'rinishiga qaramasdan, ya'ni terim qattiq tuyulishiga qaramasdan, men o'zim juda ham nozik, tabiatli mavjudotman degan ma'noda.
I'm a sensitive soul, though I seem thick-skinned. And it hurt that my friends never stood downwind.
Okay, demak, and it hurt. Va bu nima qiynardi, bu azob berardi menga. That my friends never stood downwind. Meni do'stlarim hech qachon yonimda turmaganliklari. Ya'ni qarang, bu yerda Downwind degani bu shamolni esadigan tomoni deganda, ya'ni misol uchun mana bitta odam, mana ikkinchi odamda. Agar mana bu odam o'zidan ichidagi damlarni chiqarib yuboradigan bo'lsa va shamol bu tomonga qarab o'sayotgan bo'lsa, mana bu tomon downwind deyiladi. Tushunarlimi? Ya'ni shamol uchiradigan tomon downwind deyiladi. Ya'ni birinchi odamni oldida ikkinchi odam turishni xohlamaydi-da. Mana shu ikkinchi odam turgan joy downwind deyiladi. Men tushuntira oldim deb o'ylayman, gapim haqli kelyapti. Da and it hurt. Bu menga azob berardi. That my friends, mening do'stlarim, never hech qachon stood downwinds. O'sha tomonda turmaganliklari, o'sha tomonimda turmaganliklari. Chunki sassiq edim demoqchi-da.
Though I seem thick-skinned, and it hurt that my friends never stood downwind. And oh, the shame!
Oh, the shame! Voy, qanchalik, naqadar sharmandalik degan ma'noda. Oh, the shame.
He was ashamed.
He was ashamed. Voy, u uyalardi degani. He was ashamed degani, u uyalardi degani.
And it hurt that my friends never stood downwind. And oh, the shame!
He was ashamed.
Thought of changing my name.
Thought of changing my name. Thought about changing my name. Hattoki ismini o'zgartirish haqida ham o'ylagan ekan-da. Thought of changing my name. Ismimni o'zgartirish haqida ham o'ylardim degan ma'noda.
And oh, the shame!
He was ashamed.
Thought of changing my name.
Oh, what's in a name?
What's in the name dedi. Timon aytdi. What's in the name? Ismga nima qilibdi? Ismdan nima ayb degan ma'noda-da. O'sroq.
He was ashamed.
Thought of changing my name.
Oh, what's in a name?
And I got downhearted.
And I got downhearted. Downhearted degani kayfiyat tushib ketgan yoki ruhsizlanib qolgan degan ma'noni beradi. Va meni kayfiyatim tushib ketgandi. Men juda ham ruhsizlanib qolgandim.
Thought of changing my name.
Oh, what's in a name?
And I got downhearted.
How'd you feel?
Every time that I
Okay. How'd you feel dedi. Timon aytdi. How did you feel? O'zingni qanday his qilgansan o'sha davrda degani. And every time deb bir narsa dedi Pumba.
What's in a name?
and I got downhearted.
How'd you feel?
Every time that I
Pumba.
Every time that I deb Pumba endi bir narsa. Ko'zlarini qarangda. Oy, juda ham zo'r chizishganman buni. Okay. Every time I har safar men deb endi bir narsa aytmoqchi edi. Timon og'zini yopib qo'ydi buni.
Not in front of the kids.
Not in front of the kids. Bolakaylarning oldida emasda faqat degan ma'noda aytyapti hozir. Bolalarning oldida aytmagan bu narsani deb.
downhearted.
How'd you feel?
Every time that I
Pumba. Not in front of the kids.
Oh, sorry. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Yeah, sing it, kid.
It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Welcome to our humble home.
Okay, welcome to our humble home. Kamtarona klubimizga xush kelibsiz degan ma'noni beradi.
Welcome to our humble home.
You live here?
We live wherever we want.
Okay, you live here. Sizlar shu yerda yashaysizlarmi? You live here. Undan keyin Timon mana we live wherever we want. Biz qayerda xohlasak o'sha yerda yashaymiz. Xohlagan joyimizda yashaymiz. We live wherever we want.
Welcome to our humble home.
You live here?
We live wherever we want.
Yup, home is where your rump rests.
Okay, yep. Home is where your rump rests. Dedi. Demak, rump degani bu dumba degani. Yep. Home, uy is where your rump rests. Sening dumbing qayerda dam olsa o'sha. degan ma'noni beradi xullas qalamchilarni. Demak, ya'ni o'zingni qayerda nima deydi, yaxshi his qilsang, qayerda o'zingni bunday bemalol dam oladigan, o'zingni erkin qo'yadigan his qilsang, o'sha seni uying hisoblanadi, deyapti.
Live here.
We live wherever we want.
Yup, home is where your rump rests.
It's beautiful.
I'm starved.
I'm so
Okay.
hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
I am starved dedi Pumba. To be starved degani shunaqangi och qolgan bo'lmoq, ya'ni juda ham och qolgan bo'lmoq. To be starved. I am starved. Men juda ham och qolganman. Undan keyin Simba aytdiki, yeah, I'm too dedim. I'm also hungry dedi. Men ham ochman. Hungry. To be hungry. Bu ham och bo'lmoq degan ma'noni beradi. I could eat bir narsa dedi. Undan keyin
I'm starved.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
shu qadar ochmanki men ham butun bir zebrani yeb yuborishim mumkin.
I'm starved.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
We're fresh out of zebra.
Okay. We are fresh out of zebra. Ya'ni fresh out of degani qolmaslik degani. Run out of ga yoki to be out of ga sinonim. Tushunarlimi? Fresh out of. Oy, bizda zebra qolgani yo'q. Zebra tugab qoldi degan ma'noni qilyapti hozir bu yerda.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
We're fresh out of zebra.
Any antelope?
Nuh-uh.
Okay, any animal, biror bir hayvon bormi bo'lmasam deyapti.
Hippo?
Nope. Listen, kid.
Listen kid dedi. Undan keyin Simon. Nima degani? Meni eshit bolakay deb aytyapti.
Out of zebra.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
We're fresh out of zebra.
Any antelope?
Nuh-uh.
Hippo?
Nope. Listen, kid. If you live with us, you have to eat like us.
If you live with us, you have to eat like us. Agar sen biz bilan yashasang, if you live with us, agar sen biz bilan yashaydigan bo'lsang, you have to eat like us. Sen bizga o'xshab ovqatlanishing kerak. Sen bizga o'xshab yeyishing kerak deyapti.
Hey, this looks like a good spot to rustle up some grub.
Okay. Hey, this looks like a good spot to rustle up some grub. Demak, to rustle up degani bu slang, bu og'zaki nutqda ishlatiladigan so'z va buning tarjimasi yo nonushta ovqat, umuman ovqat tayyorlamoq degani yoki ovqatlanmoq degani. Ikkita ma'nosidan bittasi, ya'ni ovqat tayyorlamoq yoki ovqatlanmoq. Hozir bu yerda ya'ni ovqat olmoq, biror joydan ovqat olmoq, ovqatlanmoqda ma'nosida. Bu yerda hozir ovqat olmoq ma'nosida kelyapti. Ya'ni tayyorlamaydi-ku bular, to'g'rimi? Bular ovqat olishadi. Chuvalchanglar bu yerda yuribdi. Some grub dedi. Grub ham bu slang va bu ham ovqat degan ma'noni beradi. Demak, rustle up bu ovqat olmoq yoki ovqat tayyorlamoq. Grub bu ovqatning o'zi, ya'ni meal, food ga sinonim grub. It looks like a good spot. Spot degani bu o'sha joy ma'nosida kelyapti-da. Juda ham ajoyib joyga o'xshaydi to rustle up some grub. Ovqat terib olish uchun, ya'ni ovqat olish uchun juda ham yaxshi joyga o'xshaydi deyapti.
If you live...
Any antelope?
Nuh-uh.
Hippo?
Nope. Listen, kid. If you live with us, you have to eat like us. Hey, this looks like a good spot to rustle up some grub.
Ew, what's that?
A grub. What's...
What's that? Hey, nima edi bu deyapti? A grub dedi. Ovqat deb beryapti.
To rustle up some grub?
Ew, what's that?
A grub. What's it look like?
What's it look like? What does it look like? Nimaga o'xshayapti? Nimaga o'xshab ko'rinyapti degani.
Grub?
Ew, what's that?
A grub. What's it look like?
Ew, gross.
Gross. Nima degani gross? Gross degani bu slangda jirkanch degan ma'noni beradi. Ya'ni jirkangan paytingiz gross deyishingiz mumkin, xolos. Mana shunaqa qilishingiz mumkin.
Ew, what's that?
A grub. What's it look like?
Ew, gross.
Tastes like chicken.
Juda ham zo'r chizishgan, juda ham dahshat qilishgan o'sha. Hammasi вообще alo. Okay, tastes like chicken. Tovuq ta'mini beryapti degan. To taste degan ta'm bermoq degan. Chicken o'sha tovuq ta'miga o'xshayapti. Tovuq ta'mini beryapti.
Ew, gross.
Tastes like chicken.
Slimy yet satisfying.
Slimy yet satisfying. Slimy degani endi bu kontekstda menimcha yopishqoq ma'nosida kelyapti va and yet shunga qaramasdan yopishqoq shunga qaramasdan shunday bo'lsa ham satisfying yoqimli maza.
Tastes like chicken.
Slimy yet satisfying.
These are rare delicacies.
Okay. Bular kamdan kam uchraydigan delikateslar degan. These are rare delicacies.
Piquant with a very pleasant crunch.
Oof. Piquant with a very pleasant crunch. Piquant degani ana degani birozgina achchiqroq lekin yoqimli achchiq ta'm beradigan. Xullas anoda nima deydi? Ziralashtirilgan. Tushuntira oldimmi nima demoqchiman? Shunaqa ta'm beradigan piquant. With a pleasant crunch. Yoqimli o'sha nima deydi? Qirs illash bilan, yoqimli qirsillash bilan.
Slimy yet satisfying.
These are rare delicacies. Piquant with a very pleasant crunch.
You'll learn to love them.
I'm telling you.
Okay, you learn to love them. Sen ularni sevishni o'rganasan, deyapti. You will learn to love them. Sen ularni sevishni o'rganasan.
Piquant with a very pleasant crunch.
You'll learn to love them.
I'm telling you, kid. This is the great life. No.
Okay. I'm telling you, kid. I mean, bolakay, men senga aytyapman. This is the great life. This is a great life. Bu juda ham ajoyib hayot. This is a great life.
You'll learn to love them.
I'm telling you, kid. This is the great life. No rules, no responsibilities. Ooh, the little cream-filled kind.
No rules, no responsibilities. Hech qanday qonun qoida yo'q, hech qanday mas'uliyat yo'q. Dedakin, a little one with esma chiqdi hozir.
No rules, no responsibilities. Ooh, the little cream-filled kind.
Okay. The little cream-filled kind. Okay, cream-filled kind degani kremga to'la, krem bilan to'ldirilgan turi degani. The little yoki a little cream-filled kind. Qarang qanaqa.
Pleasant crunch. Piquant with a very pleasant crunch.
Qo'lni qarang-da. Ajoyib gap yo'q lekin.
You'll learn to love them.
I'm telling you, kid. This is the great life. No rules, no responsibilities. Ooh, the little cream-filled kind. And best of all, no worries. Well.
Okay, and best of all, va bularning va eng dahshati, eng zo'ri shuki, no worries, hech qanday g'am bo'lsa yo'q. Welcome. Marhamat. Tanovvul qil degan ma'noda.
Oh well, Hakuna Matata. Slimy, yet satisfying.
That's it.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. 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 Tata.
Ketishdi. Ajoyib. Juda ham zo'r multfilm, menga juda ham yoqadi. Qancha ekan? 5 minut ekan. Biz ancha tarjima qildik bu narsani. O'ylaymanki, tarjimamiz, tahlilimiz sizga foydali bo'ldi deb azizlar. Shu edi. Bugungi tahlilimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetay deb qoldi. Izohlaringiz bo'lsa, kommentariyalarda qoldiring, nimalar deb o'ylaysiz. Agar tahlil sizga yoqqan bo'lsa, like bosish esdan chiqmasin va kanalga obuna bo'lib qo'ying. Agar kanalni foydali deb topgan bo'lsangiz, o'zingizni tanishlaringizga ham jo'natib qo'ying. Shu. Keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha, xayr.